Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in on the device you'll use. This links the credit immediately. Once signed in, open the App Store or iTunes Store app. Choose the store relevant to the content you want. Make sure the 16-character code is legible. If it's a printed card, tilt under Good Light. Then tap your profile or menu and select Redeem. This first action binds the code to your account so funds or content can apply instantly. Once you tap Redeem, you can use the camera to scan the code or choose manual entry. The camera is faster and reduces typos. If you type it, double-check characters because B and 8 or O and 0 are commonly confused. After entry, the store shows what the code redeems to: credit, subscription time, or specific content, so verify that destination. Then confirm by tapping Redeem or Done. Doing this prevents accidental redemptions and ensures the correct balance updates. After redeeming, check your account to confirm the balance or purchased item appears. This completes the process. If you don't see the credit, sign out and back into your Apple ID. Check that your Apple ID region matches the code's region, then retry manual entry. If errors persist, record the exact error message and contact Apple support with the code and receipt. Keep the original card or email receipt until the transaction shows in your purchase history to simplify recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.